Hello, Professor and fellow classmates. My name is Hassan Quadri, and today I will be doing a tutorial on the reverse engineering assignment. So first things first, I'll make the screen a little bigger, and I am on the Makeover Monday website. Now I went through all different data on different years listed, but one that really struck out to me was 2018 average spending on Christmas gift in the United States 1990 through 2018. The reason for this is because I've worked in retail and I currently work in the hotel industry, and around the Christmas times is where people generally are more generous and therefore they spend more. So I thought it was interesting to really conduct research on this and view its data. So I went ahead and downloaded it, and once I selected this tab here, or link, this is the visualization that the website's already created here. So what I'm going to be doing is making sure I copy or replica this exact visualization, essentially. And from this point on here, what anyone would want to do is scroll down here, and then you will have an option right over here that says View, and if you hover over this, it has a download. That is the button that you want to select. So I've downloaded it already on my laptop, and then once that's all set, I'm going to minimize this here, and then open the Tableau application. This may take up to a few seconds just because I have a lot of data already on my laptop. Alright, so let's go more bigger. Okay, perfect. So this is a screen that you're going to get when you open that application. And what we're going to do is we are going to connect a Excel spread worksheet, and to do that, connect to a file. You select Microsoft Excel, and it's going to browse it through all your computer data or files. You're going to select the Christmas spending one. Perfect. So automatically it auto generates the data that's already on the document, and what we're going to do from here now is just hover over it and just see if it's that reflects what we saw, which it does. But I would rather have the year more specific. So instead of just leaving it like this, I would click on this button here and then select date. Alright, and this is how it looks now. And now what we're going to be doing is making a new worksheet. So we'll select this button here. Okay, and then we are going to go to year and drag this to the column, just like that, and then Christmas spending in the US under measures, and we'll put that in row. So as you guys can see, the graph is just with the data is already formulating, but the axis here does not reflect what was on the website. So the website had 600 through 900, and if we just minimize this, go back on here, and if you zoom in, you'll see just that. So 600 through 900. So to modify that, what we'll be doing is selecting it. You're going to click on Edit Axis, and now this page will appear. And what we're going to do is select Fixed, and then under Fixed Start, instead of 0, we'll put 600, and then Fixed End, instead of 912, we'll do 900. And then we'll just X that out, and as you guys can see, it automatically adjusted that off, so it's now 600 all the way to 900. And we're almost there, but the data does not reflect on these pointers, right? So what we're going to do is go under Label, or under Marks here, Label, and we're going to go under Show Mark Labels. Once I select that, there is all that data there. So it will show you the year, and then the amount spent, and then if you follow it down, it will give you, the specifics. And just to finalize this, folks, what we're doing now is changing the title. So once again, I'm going to close this here, and I want to open up the, let's see here, oops. Okay, so the visualization, and the title is Average Spending on Christmas Gifts in the United States. Alright, I'll just go ahead and copy that, and then open this again, and then we'll just select the sheet 2, and then backward, and that's it, guys. This is our visualization. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I appreciate your time watching this.